Hi, my name is Austin Dorman, and I'm a certified funnel builder and ClickFunnels ambassador. And today we're going to talk about the discount app inside of ClickFunnels. And before we start, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And also, too, if you don't already have a ClickFunnels account, go down to the description section to start your free trial today. And also, too, there's some really awesome resources in the description section, so make sure you go check those out as well. What I want to do now is review the discounts features inside the Help Center that ClickFunnels has provided and also read the benefits of using discounts. So it says discounts in ClickFunnels are special codes that you can create to offer customers reductions on their purchases in the store and funnels. These can be percentage-based discounts and fixed amount discounts applied to specific products or collections. For example, if you run an online fitness store, you can create a discount code SUMMER20 that offers 20% off during the summer season. When customers enter this code at checkout, they will receive a 20% discount on their purchase, encouraging them to buy more and boosting your sales. Now, the benefits of using discounts are increased sales. Discounts provide incentives for customers to make purchases, boosting your sales. Customer loyalty. Offering discounts can help build customer loyalty and encourage repeat purchases. Clear inventory. Discounts can help you move stock faster and clear out older inventory. So now what we're going to do is we're going to walk through the discount app inside of ClickFunnels, and we're going to talk through adding the app and enabling the discount feature at checkout. And so let's jump into my demo ClickFunnels account to get started. The first thing that you want to do is add the discount app. And you do this by going over here to the left-hand side by apps, and you're going to click on add apps. And it's going to take you to this page right here. And so if you scroll and find the discounts, it's right here. I already have it added, but if you just click on it, there's a button that says add app, and that's how you add the discount app inside your ClickFunnels workspace. Now, the second thing that we'll want to do is create a discount code. And so we're going to go over here to the left-hand side, and we're going to scroll down and find discounts. And then we're going to click create discount. And so the first thing that we want to do is add a discount name. So for this one, we're going to call it Summer 20% off. And the coupon code is Summer20. And then down here, this is where we could identify the discount type, whether it's percentage or fixed amount. So if it's percentage, we could do, let's say, 20% for our example. And then down here under entitlements, this is where the discount would apply. So whether it's all products, or specific collection. So I'm just going to leave it as all products. And then we're going to go up here and we're going to click on create discount. And before I click create discount, you can do a few different advanced options as well, such as scheduling discount. So set an active start and end date for your discount. And then under the advanced feature, you could require minimum spend, limit to 1 user per customer, and do not apply to all invoices for an order. So now we're going to click create discount. So now we have that discount code right here, Summer 20% off, which gives users 20% off on all products. Now, the third thing that we'll want to do is we're going to want to enable discounts inside of the order summary on the checkout element for our funnels and also for the store if you have a store. So we'll talk about funnels first and then we'll do the store. So I'm in one of my test funnels and I'm going to click on this checkout element and click on the settings. And then I'm going to go over here to order summary. And right here, I have the coupon field enabled, which means that it's showing. So that's how you add the coupon field for your funnels. And now we're going to talk about how to add the coupon field for your store. Now, to add the discount field to your store, you're going to go to the checkout page right here. And then if we go to the checkout element, we're going to click on the settings icon right here. And similar to the funnels, we're going to click on order summary. And then for coupon field, we'll want this to be enabled. That's a high-level walkthrough of the discount app feature inside ClickFunnels. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below underneath this video or book a call in the description section, and I'd love to help you out.